Welcome to the another fresh episode of the Millennial ER Show. So, as I told earlier, I started this initiative because during the 4 year of engineering span, there are very few opportunities where we can actually interact with the corporates and senior corporates. So, in order to bridge the gap between the engineering students with the corporate, I started this initiative. Today in our episode, we are having Mr. Narendra Ajuria. He is having around 25 years of work experience in the field of chemical industries. Sir, can you please introduce yourself?
Okay, thank you, Mr. Raj. First of all, I really appreciate your thoughts to connect engineering student with corporates. This is really utilization of this pandemic time and giving back something to society. Great, appreciate and congratulate. Now let me introduce myself. I am Narendra Judia. I am from basically from farmer family. My parents are still observing our farming business at our home village. Uh, I am graduate in chemical engineering from DDIT Nadiad 25 years back. Uh, in family background, I have my daughter who is studying in BTech ICT at Ahmedabad. My wife is working for us, and I had worked with in many areas like project production. I have hands-on experience for SAP implementation, greenfield projects, startup firm in setup of automation of plants. Recently, I am associated with environmental area, and I am also responsible for IMS certification currently. Basically, which is for quality, health, environment, and safety standards. That is what just my introduction, and that is what I am is. Yes, Mr. Rai.
Thank you so much, sir, for introducing yourself. Moving to the first episode, connecting the ants campus with corporates. Sir, I want to ask from a student to very senior position in the corporate world, what were your learnings and experience that would you like to share with us?
See, basically, this whole life is about learning. So one important thing is, uh, one important learning is learn it all the time. So keep our attitude to learn from everywhere, everybody, and till end of the life. So from first breath to last breath, normally we are learning, and if we learn, keep our attitude, learning attitude. There is ample of opportunity to for growth and development. So basically, I learned a lot from industry, like different skill, knowledge. Human behavior, working with various organizations and various departments. So a lot of people I have interacted with. The communication. Not only communication, the effective communication. Normally, what happens sometimes we are telling something else and people are understanding something else. So communication, leadership, and moreover to leadership is basically situational leadership, soft skill, and development of leader, conflict management, troubleshooting, motivation, blah blah blah. There are, if you set a learning attitude, there is ample of opportunity to learn in industry. Uh, See, basically, everything is changed. There is nothing is constant. Only change is constant. So everything is changed today. Whatever we were talking yesterday may not be true today, and whatever the today we are talking may not be true for tomorrow. So we should not be rigid, and we should keep the flexibility and change.
We should be
in
agile.
changing my attitude every day. Yeah, be agile. Touch with instrument and equipment in field operation. So industry actually, I learned a lot from industry, different skill, knowledge, human behavior, worked with a lot of people in various department and various organizations. So human behavior, basically the effective communication, leadership, basically, more is situational leadership, soft skill, conflict management, troubleshooting in technical area, and some troubleshooting in non-technical area as well, motivation and blah blah blah. So but here most important thing is, the change is only constant. Everything keep changing. The constant is only change, so we have to adapt the change. Yesterday's things may not be true today, and today's things may not be true for tomorrow also. And I am keeping my attitude to learn from anybody. I many things I learned from my daughter. I keep learning from my subordinates, junior colleagues, and even I learn from my farmer friends as well. And this is the adverse situation is also having some learning opportunity. So basically, learning attitude which keeps us, allow us to grow with the growth of organization. So basically, we have to learn continuously.